In my many years exploring the far corners of our planet, I have learned that nature, for all its apparent order, is a master of exceptions. We seek patterns, we define laws, and we believe we understand the fundamental rules that govern life. Yet time and again, our world presents us with phenomena so strange, so utterly unexpected, that they force us to reconsider everything we thought we knew. These are not mere curiosities, they are profound challenges to our understanding, living proof that the playbook of life is far more complex and wondrously bizarre than we could ever imagine. These are the places where the earth itself seems to rewrite its own rules, where fire meets water in impossible ways, where life thrives in absolute darkness, and where the very air crackles with an energy that defies meteorological explanation. They are nature's outliers, its rebels, each one a breathtaking testament to the planet's boundless capacity for invention. Here, in the Great Rift Valley of Tanzania, lies a body of water of stark and haunting beauty, Lake Natron. At first glance, it appears almost serene, its surface a mirror reflecting the vast African sky. But this tranquility belies a deadly secret. The water is hypersaline, and intensely alkaline, with a pH that can exceed 10.5, nearly as caustic as ammonia. This chemistry comes from the nearby volcano, Oldoinyo Lengai, depositing sodium carbonate and other minerals washed down its slopes. For most living things, a single touch would be fatal. The consequences are macabre and fascinating. Sodium carbonate acts like a preservative, but not how you might expect. It calcifies soft tissues, encasing birds, bats, and other creatures in hard, stone-like shells. They become ghostly sculptures, frozen in their death poses. Washed ashore by gentle waves, these gray figures stand as a gallery of nature's statuary. Yet life still finds a way. In the northwest of Venezuela, where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo, a truly extraordinary atmospheric spectacle unfolds almost every night. This is the home of the Catatumbo lightning, silent, relentless, seemingly eternal. For up to 10 hours a night, on as many as 260 nights a year, the sky is lit by an unceasing barrage of electrical discharges. Unlike a typical storm that passes, this one is a permanent resident, a fixed feature of the landscape. So reliable that for centuries sailors used its flickering as a natural lighthouse, the Maracaibo beacon. The storm's persistence comes from a unique confluence of geography and climate. The lake basin is flanked on three sides by high mountain ridges. They trap warm, moist air, rising from the water, as cooler evening winds sweep down from the Andes. Deep beneath the Romanian countryside, sealed off from the outside world for over 5.5 million years, lies a place that completely rewrites the rules of life. This is Mobile Cave. Discovered by accident in 1986, it is a world unto itself, a self-contained ecosystem that has evolved in complete isolation and total darkness. The air here is profoundly different from our own. It is low in oxygen, hydrogen, sulfide, carbon dioxide gases that would be toxic to most surface dwellers. There is no sunlight, no photosynthesis, and therefore, none of the familiar foundations upon which nearly all life on Earth is built. Deep within the Peruvian Amazon, a place we associate with torrential rain, suffocating humidity, and lush verdant life, lies a legend made real. It is a river known to the local Ashaninka people as Shanai Timpishka, which translates to boiled by the heat of the sun. For nearly 4 miles, this waterway flows at temperatures hot enough to scald, poach, and kill almost anything that falls into it. The water can reach over 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Not quite boiling, but dangerously close. The air above it is thick with steam, and the banks are often littered with the unfortunate creatures. Insects, amphibians, small mammals that were cooked alive. Adrift in the Arabian Sea, part of an archipelago belonging to Yemen, lies an island that looks plucked from another world. This is Socotra, its long isolation broken away from Gondwana millions of years ago, plus fierce heat, plus seasonal monsoons created a crucible of evolution. A landscape of staggering, bizarre beauty, a living laboratory of reimagined botany, one of the most biodiverse and alien-looking places on Earth. The flora is Socotra's most striking feature. Trees here are surreal and ingenious. We have journeyed from a lake that turns life to stone, to a storm that never ends, from a cave that thrives in poison, to a river that boils in the jungle, and an island where evolution has run wild. Each of these places stands as a powerful testament to the fact that our planet's capacity for invention is limitless. They are not simply oddities, they are profound teachers, They show us that the rules we perceive in nature are often just the local bylaws of our own limited experience, not the universal constitution of life itself. These exceptions are what drive our curiosity and expand our understanding. For in a world of such incredible exceptions, the next unbelievable discovery is always just over the horizon.